Visualize success and activate your superconscious mind. Inspired by the book Goals by Tracy. Have you ever noticed that when you focus on something, a car you want, a trip you're planning, you start noticing it everywhere? That's no coincidence. In Goals, Tracy explains how visualization and your superconscious mind help you achieve your goals faster by programming your brain to see opportunities and solutions you might otherwise miss. Why visualization works. Visualization is simply imagining your goals as already achieved. It's a mental rehearsal where you picture the result in vivid detail, how it looks, feels, even how it sounds. When you visualize consistently, you strengthen your belief in yourself, increase motivation to act, train your subconscious mind to recognize paths to success. Your brain can't always tell the difference between a real experience and a vividly imagined one. So when you imagine success, your brain starts working to make it real. Example: Daniel's practice. Daniel wanted to land a big client for his consulting business. Every morning, he visualized himself confidently presenting his proposal, shaking hands, and signing the deal. A few weeks later, he got the opportunity and felt calmer and more prepared because he had already lived it many times in his mind. How to visualize effectively. Here are some simple steps from Tracy to use visualization to your advantage. See your goal clearly. Close your eyes and picture your goal in as much detail as possible. For example, if your goal is to run a marathon, see yourself crossing the finish line, smiling and hearing the cheers. Feel the emotions. Don't just see it, feel it. Experience the pride, joy, and excitement of reaching your goal. These emotions strengthen your commitment. Do it regularly. Set aside a few minutes each morning and evening to visualize your goals. Repetition imprints the image on your subconscious. Write it down. Along with visualizing, write down your goals daily in the present tense. I earn $100,000 a year doing meaningful work. I am healthy, energetic, and strong. Activate your superconscious mind. Tracy also talks about the superconscious mind, the part of you that connects ideas, creativity, and intuition. When you clearly define and visualize your goals, your superconscious mind works in the background, presenting solutions and coincidences that move you forward. Have you ever had a great idea while showering or driving? That's your superconscious at work. Final thought. When you combine clear goals with daily visualization and trust your deeper mind, you tap into incredible power. See it, feel it, believe it, and then take action to make it real. Inspired by the book Goals by Tracy. Visit planwisenow.io for more tools to unlock your potential and achieve your dreams.